C# method overloading. What is method overloading in C#? Method overloading is a feature in which multiple methods share the same name but differ in the number, type, or order of parameters. It allows a class to perform similar operations in different ways, improving code readability and flexibility. What is compile-time polymorphism, static binding? When compiler decide which method or operator to call based on the number and types of arguments or operands, it is called compile-time polymorphism. It usually occurs in the form of method overloading or operator overloading. So, the best example of compile-time polymorphism is method overloading. Example of method overloading. The code in next slide demonstrates an example of method overloading. Here we have the fruit utility class, and this class has some methods with the name addFruitPrice that are the same in name but different in number, types and order. So this fruit utility class is an example of method overloading. This example demonstrates method overloading, where multiple methods have the same name addFruitPrice but different parameter lists. Each method performs a similar task but handles different numbers or types of parameters, no parameters, integers, doubles, or strings. The compiler decides which method to call based on the arguments passed at runtime. This improves code readability and allows flexible usage of the same method name. Here, an object of the fruit utility class is created to access its methods. Each call to addFruitPrice invokes a different overloaded method based on the arguments passed. The method without parameters returns a default value, while others calculate or combine values. This shows how method overloading allows the same method name to work with different inputs. What are advantages of method overloading? Improves code readability by using the same method name for similar operations. Enhances flexibility by allowing methods to work with different parameter types and counts. Reduces code duplication since related logic is grouped under one method name. Supports compile-time polymorphism, making method calls faster and safer. What are disadvantages of method overloading? Can reduce readability if too many overloaded methods exist with similar signatures. May cause confusion when method calls are ambiguous or hard to distinguish. Increases maintenance effort because changes may affect multiple overloads. Risk of misuse if developers select the wrong overload unintentionally. Summary. With the use of method overloading in classes, you can improve the usability of your code. Method overloading provides a structure with which you can create methods with the same name that perform logically related operations but accept different inputs or produce different results based on the provided arguments. Thank you for watching this C# method overloading tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.